Hey guys, here Lorenzo with Lorenzo Landscapes. This is our shop right here. This is where we keep a lot of our equipment. And I want to show you guys one of our shops here in Georgia. So this is the 3500 that I use to go see jobs. And then we have the fleet of 5500s. We run 5500s. This is a long wheelbase with the winch, obviously 4-wheel drive. This is for the masons, the stonework crew, and this one is for the maintenance, the yard maintenance crew. Each truck we put about 4 guys. Then this is the dump truck that we use to haul gravel, mulch, whatnot. And then we have the other crew cab, what we call it, the red Ram. So this is a 2014 model, and that's the 2016. That's the 2020, 2021, and that black one over there 2022. And we have more trucks and equipment at another location about 30 minutes from here. So take it easy guys, give us some likes, and I'll keep you in touch with more things. Stay busy, stay alive, bro. Take care.